subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme is reportedly gearing up to launch its new gaming-centric smartphone under X50 lineup in China called Realme X50 PRO PLAYER edition. Recently, the upcoming Realme X50 PRO PLAYER edition phone was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina that shows the design and specifications of the smartphone. According to listing, the Realme X50 PRO PLAYER edition will support a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a pill-shaped hole punch design at the top left corner that will house 16 plus 2 megapixel dual selfie cameras. The rear panel of the phone is seen to feature a vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top left corner that will include one 48 megapixel main camera accompanied by 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens plus 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone is mentioned to come powered by an unnamed octa-core 2.8 GHz processor, which is likely going to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. The device is listed to pack with 6, 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128, 256 or 512 GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on the top, and it will come equipped by 4200 mAh battery that is expected to support 65 watts fast charging. Additionally, the upcoming phone will also feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone will include dual-band 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 159 by 74.2 by 8.9 mm and it will weigh around 209 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and release date. The Realme has confirmed to launch its upcoming X50 PRO PLAYER edition smartphone on May 25th in China, and the phone is expected to price around 3,299 Chinese yuan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Realme X50 PRO PLAYER edition smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.